Hi there! For today's reading activity, we are going to be finishing up our realistic fiction story. So here is my brainstorm page and then my introduction that I wrote yesterday. So we did this part on Tuesday. We wrote our first sentence yesterday. Today we're going to finish up our story. So, one sunny day in the park, Alice and Fred were playing tag. All of a sudden, Alice dropped her cookies on the ground. I am writing what the problem is. So right here, all of a sudden, Alice dropped her cookies on the ground. This is the problem. Now, I'm going to write how my problem was fixed. Remember, our stories that we're writing, they're not very long. We're just trying to get familiar with how an author writes a realistic fiction story. So how was my problem resolved? What did I tell you? Well, actually, let me add one more sentence. This made Alice sad. Fred gave her some of his cookies. Alice, I'm sorry, my paper keeps moving around. Alice was happy again. All right, you are more than welcome to, if you run out of room, flip to the next page. Keep writing, okay? I just wanted to show you all on one page. So you do not have to write 5 sentences like I did. I want you to do this. I want you to have your brainstorming part up here where the picture is, and then down here I want you to write at least 3 sentences about your realistic fiction. I want you to tell me about the characters, include their names, write the setting, write 3 sentences. I started my story off with, okay, telling you where they're at, which was in the park playing tag. Then I told you my problem. Alice dropped her cookies on the ground. This made her sad. Then I told you how the problem was fixed, the resolution. Fred gave her some of his cookies. Alice was happy again. So, what you are going to do is get this page out, keep writing. I want at least 3 sentences, okay? Tell me about your story, all right? Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's little reading activity.